Alright guys, check this out. I have a little bit of a mess here, but I want to show you what I was messing with today. This is that FS-iBT01 from FLYSKY. It's a temperature sensor. Here's what I learned. This is a 12-channel receiver. Only works with enhanced receivers where you can select the how these ports replicate. And essentially you're going to want to use NPA, B, or C, one of these three channels. Either one, it doesn't matter. You're going to plug your temperature sensor into one of those three channels. And jam over here to your radio, go to RX setup, and then you're going to go to custom port protocol, and then back over here, remember A, B, or C. It looks like there's a D also. I'm not sure where that's at. Oh, here it is on the side. Either way, doesn't matter too much. I used NPA, which you can see is the top. So you're going to select NPA, and then you have to go down and select iBus2. And as soon as you select iBus2, you will have a solid light here, and your sensor's working. And it's really that easy. And to verify that it's working, what you can do is go to Sensors, Display Sensors, top here. Scroll down to the bottom and you got a temperature. If I put my fingers on it, you'll see it raise up in temperature. And then to place the sensors on the screen here, just go back to your home screen, slide a couple to the left, and I have RX voltage, I have signal strength, and there's temperature. If I pinch it, you'll see the temperature rise, fall. And in order to configure what sensors you have on this screen here, what you do is you go to Sensors, choose Sensors, and these four sensors are what you can select. So let's say we wanted temperature to be up here where RX voltage is. We just click on it, click one more time, and then you can pick any one of these sensors. Temperature's on the bottom. And then within the temperature, a few options. You hit this little switch over here, little button, and you can set a low alarm value and a high alarm value. I'm going to leave that off for now. This is just my test radio. Actually, you know what? Let's turn it on and let's set it off intentionally here and see what happens. So we'll go high alarm is 77. There we go. Okay, let's go watch that screen real quick. And now let's set it off. Oh, there you go. Look at that. That is pretty cool. You get a audio indicator, you get a red light, and then you get obviously the flash there. Very cool feature. I think I'm going to start using this on most of my models. A little bit more data. Pretty neat. Hopefully it stays accurate and durable. We'll see. And the other thing I wanted to try to do is set up a mix so that if this gets to a certain temperature, it'll do something like maybe turn on a fan, maybe turn on an LED light, something like that. I'm not sure if that's possible yet, but I'll check it out and let you know.